Hello everyone, welcome back in JavaFX tutorial on Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we are going to set alternative color for this series in JavaFX line chart. Guys, if you are using multiple JavaFX line chart series, then you can set the color for those series. So first I will show you one image. Now you can see this is the example of a JavaFX chart series. In this chart I am using two series. I have given two different colors to these two series. First one is a green color set for first series and the second is the purple color set for the second series. If you guys have more series in your JavaFX chart, you can assign different colors to those series. So I will show you how you can achieve this thing with the help of CSS for your JavaFX chart. So first I will minimize this image. Now I'm going back to the notepad and I will tell you a few important things. By default, Caspian style sheets defines the 8 color for the line that corresponds to the first 8 series of data. That means if you are using 8 series for your JavaFX line chart, then the default 8 colors will be given for your series by the Caspian style sheet, which is default implemented by the JavaFX chart. And now if you are exceeding the line more than 8, after that you need to set the color for those series with the help of .chart-series-line CSS class. Basically, we are going to apply a CSS, and with the help of CSS, we can set a particular color to a particular series. And guys, we are using these two classes. First one is .chart-series-line. The second one is .default-color. After that, we have to give the number of the series .chart-series-line. I will show you here in the NetBeans. So basically this is the project which I have used in my first tutorial of JavaFX line chart. Okay, so first I am going to run this without any style sheet applied on the line series. I will show you. After that we will apply the CSS, then we will see the impact of the CSS on series. Now you can see this is the default. By default, Caspian style sheet is applied on it, and the first one is appearing in a red color and the second one is appearing in the orange color. You can say a little similar to the yellow color. Now here in this project, if you want to apply a particular color, then you have to add one CSS in your project. So create the package CSS, then add one style sheet, and you can do a right click and select this way. If you not found in this list, select the other. Come here, add this filter and just type cascading style sheet. If you select the other, then you will see the cascading style sheet option on the right hand side. Click next. Provide a particular name to your style sheet and the style sheet will be created here in your project. Now simply open your style sheet. Now it's time to write something inside the style sheet. And one important thing I want to tell you again, if you are using the style sheet, you have to add this important line here in this class. So we are going to apply this style sheet on the scene. So we are calling the method scene.getStyleSheet.add and we are passing the style sheet path. Right now this is inside the CSS folder. Okay guys, now I'm back here in the CSS file. Now I will tell you what we are writing here. So I have prepared the CSS in this notepad. I will copy from this place and I will go back here in the NetBeans and I will paste it here. One by one I will explain you what we have used here. The first one, .chart-series-line. That means we are referring to the series. Okay, so it doesn't matter how many series you have. if you are using this class, this will be applicable on all series. So we are setting the stroke width of all series to 6 pixel. If you want to increase the width, you want a fat line, so you can increase the pixels here. After that, we have the second class, default -color and 0.chart-series-line. So the 0 is representing the very first series of your chart. You can say array index is starting from 0. So if you have 5 lines, 5 series in your JavaFX line chart, so you can refer your first series with 0 index. So I have used this class for 0 index, and we are setting the color with the help of fx-strokes property and the green color. You can give the hexadecimal code as well. Now, in our chart example, we are using 2 series, so we are referring the second series with the help of first index. So I have given default -color 1.chart-series-line, then fx stroke set to blue violet color. Okay guys, now at line number 29 and 30, we are referring the same thing. For first series, chart line symbol. Chart line symbol means the symbol appearing in the legends. So we are setting the legends color with the help of fx background properties, provided the color green because our first series is green and the middle section of that symbol, that means a legend symbol, is white. In the same way, for the second series, I am using default -color 1.chart-line symbol. fx background color is blue violet. I hope you are clear. So first series color is green, so I have used the green for the line chart symbol, and the second one is blue violet series, so I have used the color for the line chart symbol blue violet. Okay, now this is saved. I will take the clean build and I will run it. Now I will show you what is the impact of this CSS on the line chart series, so you can clearly understand what we have done here. Here we go. So guys, you can see on your screen, this is the line chart and we have the stage and there are 2 lines. Let me tell you first. So we have applied the fx stroke width properties and set the pixel 6. So this is appearing little bit fat. And the first series color is green, which we have given at line number 25, and the second series which is appearing in purple color, or you can say a violet color. So this is set at line number 26 in CSS file. And if I'm talking about the line chart symbol, so you can see these are the line chart symbol, which are the data points in your series which are set to the same color, and these are not filled because we have used a white color for that. Okay, in the same way, for the second line chart symbol we have used the white color. Now I will do a small change and I will show you if I will set the colors for the line chart symbol, what will happen. So you can see at line number 29 and 30, I have changed the color green from white and the blue violet from white. Now I will run this example again. So guys, look at here carefully, and you will notice here I have changed the color from white to green, so your data points will be filled with the color. If you want to put transparent data points, you want to put a different color for your data points, you have to give the color as a second place. So this is the place where I have given a color. If I set this thing white, then this will look hollow as a circle. Now I will run this example again, so everything will be more clear. Here we go for run. I think stage is appeared. Now we'll see. So guys, look at here that data points are now transparent, or you can say the background color is set to white, so appearing like this. Also in the legends this will appear the same. So guys, this is the way you can set the alternative colors for the series in your JavaFX line chart. We have used only 2 series. If you have 3, 4, 5 series, so you can simply use the index from 0 and increment the index and just refer to the series lines and set the colors. I hope you guys clear on these concepts. If you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And guys, for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT help.